Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had an amazing week. Now if you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, then hit the bell button and set it to all so you get notifications when I post new recipes every Friday. Now I made this pepper soup as part of a friend's request last week along with my catfish stew. If you haven't seen that, just click the link at the top of your screen right now so you can see that. I sent the video to some of my friends and they threatened to block me. But will I let it stop me from sharing the recipe with you guys? How can I? No! You guys must learn how to make pepper soup. Let's go to the kitchen. For this recipe, I'll be using goat meat and some offals. I'll put a full list of everything in that bowl in the description box. I'll also be using some red onions that I've chopped in two different ways, as you can see. This one on the left for garnishing, the other one for cooking the meat. I have chopped scallions and chopped scotch bonnet peppers. Full measurement, everything is in the description box down below. And here I have some parsley, some oregano, dried bitter leaf, I have scent leaves, I have my pepper soup spice, and I have my crayfish. With all of this, your taste buds are going on a ride. I have my flat Maggi cube and my Knorr cubes. I have my pink salt and Cameroon pepper. This is all spice and everything nice. Trust me. It's really good. And then I have my curry powder and my dried thyme. I would be using just a teaspoon of each. I have my watermelon chopped ready to keep me company, and I am ready to cook. So I started with the tripe, the shaki, and I gave it a head start of 10 minutes. For the shaki, I only seasoned with Maggi cubes and salt and some onions, and I boiled it with about a cup of water to start. Right, so there goes my Knorr cubes, or they went, and my onions, and then I added about half a tablespoon of salt, pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, just use regular salt, right? It will still turn out great. Then I covered that and let it boil for 10 minutes, just giving a head start because it's the toughest of all of the meats that I'm using today. Or I keep switching between present and past that I used, right? And after that 10 minutes, I just turned in all the other meats that I had and then just stirred it to make sure that it's properly combined with what is already in the pot. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of water, what I have left from that jug, right? And then I'm going to season with the rest of the good guys. The flat Maggi cube. That flat Maggi cube is has an equivalent of 4 regular Maggi cubes, just in case you don't have the flat one, right? And then I added 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and then I added my teaspoons of thyme and curry, and added another half a tablespoon, not entirely half a tablespoon. Now if you want to kind of see the spoons that I'm using in this video, I did a video about my measuring cups earlier. You should find that on my channel. I'll also put a link to the video on your screen right about now, right? And after that, I'm just going to cover it to boil for 25 minutes. So at this point we have 35 minutes of cook time gone, and everything smelling nice, everything tasting amazing, right? It was just the most amazing thing. My whole house was smelling really good. And after the 35 minutes, I've added my scotch bonnet pepper, and then it's time to throw in the big guns. These are just amazing. Now if you don't have any one of these herbs, you can just skip it, to be honest, but all of them take your taste buds on very different journeys. It's like you're tasting all of those different things all at once, and it's orgasmic and it's just delicious. Just a note, quick reminder, please subscribe. Please share this video when you're done watching, and take time to watch other videos. If there's any recipe that you need me to make, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will look at making it just for you, right? And so after I added the spices, I let it boil for 10 minutes, and then I added a cup of water, as you can see, just to finish off. And then I'm going to add the remaining onions, the bigger size ones, and the scallions. And after this, it's just smooth sailing to the end for another 3 minutes and I'm done. So a total cook time of about 48 to 50 minutes and you're pretty much done. If your meat is all that tough, just give it some more cook time, add maybe a cup of water or two, but usually 50 minutes you should be pretty much done. It looks amazing, it tastes great. The person I gave it to, my friend, she really loved it. I'm sure if she would take the time to actually watch this video and leave a comment, Ekene, I'm watching you. But after 3 minutes, we have this amazing pot of pepper soup. For my Canadian guys, it's winter time, we're not out of it yet. You need pepper soup, trust me. If you wake up and it's really cold in the morning, you can definitely start with a bowl of pepper soup. Or if you're just bored in the afternoon, a bowl of pepper soup works every time because it's literally cold all day. So at this point, just serve and enjoy. If you have visitors over, they will really love this, trust me. Again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And again, if you have any special requests, please let me know. I would find the ingredients. I know in Canada it can be difficult sometimes, but I will find the ingredients and I will make it for you. Now, and I've had people tell me that they want some sweet stuff. It's all been spicy and hot, and so for the next couple of weeks after next week, because I got a request to make vegetable soup, and I'm going to give you a sort of a prelude to that right about now. But after that, a couple of weeks, we're going to be doing a lot of banana bread, a lot of Brazilian cheese bread, a lot of pancakes, a lot of the sweet stuff. I'm going to make different types of cakes, as much recipes that I can find, and then we'll get right back to all of the spicy and delicious stuff, just so we have like a good mix of everything. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you here same time next week, Friday. Bye.